make review videos for a living, so I do a lot of overhead shots. Every tripod I've owned has had the same annoying problem. The legs get in the way. That's why I bought this 10-inch UBeesize ring light with overhead phone mount. It stretches up and down and out and over. The light can be put in any position. One of my old tripods, I used to have to set it up and I'd have to wait for it to stop wobbling before I could start recording. Or I'd turn it down and again, the legs were in the way. This overhead mount makes my content filming so much easier. Because it has 3 light settings, it doesn't matter what natural light you're filming in, you're going to be able to set it to whatever light you need. And of course, there's different intensities of the light, lower or higher. This is quite bright, and it actually lights up the whole area. The stand doesn't move on me. It stays still the whole time because this is actually clamped to the counter. And you can actually clamp this to a desk or a table as well. And because you can move it so easily, you can actually do regular shots with this as well. So you'll turn, lift up, set your camera, and you can do regular camera work as well. So no matter what shot you're working on, you're not switching out gear all the time. If you create regular content for social media or cooking content or simple review videos like I do, at some point you're going to hit the same problem as I did, tripod legs in your video. This overhead phone mount with light is what fixed it for me.